Hi everybody, Doug Everloff with the Health and Safety Message of the Week. This week we're going to talk about Level D PPE. As you can see, I am dressed with my Level D PPE ready, with the exception of wearing my gloves and hearing protection if necessary. So we're going to talk about the helmets. The helmets, these MSA helmets, have roughly a 5-year life cycle. As you can see in here, the marking indicates that this helmet was manufactured in May of 2018. All right. Take that 5 years from now, takes us to May 2023. This helmet should be placed out of service and replaced. The cast helmets have a 10-year life cycle to them. One thing we want to do when we're doing a helmet inspection is checking for any kind of cracks, deformities in the helmet. We're also looking at the suspension. As you can see, this suspension no longer fits in this helmet. This helmet's out of service. When we're talking about wearing our helmets, we're coming into the winter months where it's going to get a little bit colder. What's appropriate and what's not appropriate? Hoodied sweatshirts. Hoodied sweatshirts under the helmets, not appropriate. Nomex hoods, appropriate as far as wearing during cold weather times. Hearing protection. Anything over 85 dB, I need to have hearing protection. All right, if I'm getting up to 95 or above, I need to wear double hearing protection. All right, vac trucks, backpack blowers, walk-behinds, pressure washers. Whenever I have to scream, I know that my hearing protection should be worn. Safety glasses. Clear safety glasses versus tinted safety glasses. Obviously, nighttime use, daytime use outside. Safety vest. As you can see, this safety vest is starting to look a little ragged, a little dirty. I want to make sure that I am visible when I'm out in the public. Gloves. For normal everyday use, the nitrile gloves, the surgical gloves, not appropriate. We want to check our impact resistant gloves. As you can see, these gloves are dirty. They should be placed out of service. They've seen their good times and their bad times. So I want to make sure that I have my appropriate gloves on, my leather impacted gloves. I have my glove holder, which means that my gloves are with me all the time during the daytime. So I want to make sure that I had them with me, so that when I do need to use them, they're there, they're readily available. All right. Boots. So one thing we want to talk about with the boots is the boots have to be 6 inches in height, no mesh. It has to have a defined heel, steel or composite toe, steel or composite shank. These boots should be where if I was exposed to any type of chemical, I wouldn't have an issue with an exposure placing these boots out of service. So other than keeping my Level D PPE neat, clean, and with me all the time, just everybody, we want you to have a safe day. Wear your PPE all the time. And if you have questions, contact the Health and Safety Department. So with that, have a great day.